Today's my subject is the managerial economics and my topic is law of demand. So first of all, we are discussing the definitions of law of demand. The law of demand states that the inverse relationship between the price and quantity of demanded, but keeping the other factors are constant. When the price is increases, the quantity of demand is decreases, and the price is decreases, the quantity of demand is increases. It is the state of the law of demand. The formula is the dx is equal to f of p of x. When the d is equal to the demands of commodity, x is the commodity, f is the functions, and the px is the price of commodity. So the assumptions of the law of demand. The assumptions are, first of all, the constant level of income. Second is the no change in size of population. Third is the prices of substitute goods remain constant. Fourth one is the prices of complementary goods remains constant. Fifth one is the no expectations about future change in prices, and the last is the no changes in states, habits, and preference, fashions, etc. The after that the expectations. Expectations are the prestigious good. The second one is the price illusion. For third one is the ignorance, and the fourth one is the habitual good. So the examples of the law of demand is the price falls and the demand increases is like the grocery stores typically sells the apple from the store $1 each. One day they decide to have us sell the apples and lower up the price to 50 cents each. The law of demand theorized that the lower prices would encourage more people to buy apple, including those who wouldn't normally buy them the higher price. It is the example of price falls and demand is increases. Second one is price rises and demand is decreases. For example, a car dealership makes the decision to rise the price of trucks, earn more profits or on their sales. The law of demand states that the fewer people will now buy trucks at this new higher price point. Third example is the price remain constant, the demand remains constant. Example is the for coffee shop. A coffee shop has the tested many different prices points their coffees, and has the determined the determined that they make the most profit selling a cup of coffee at $1 each, with demands remaining high at that price. The price of their cup of coffee remains the same and the demands remain the same. It is the examples of the law of demand. Now, the advantages of the law of demands in economics. The advantage of law of demands is the so many advantages, but the one of is the it helps to parties selling the different goods fix the prices they sold commodities. It will let them know that if they increase or decrease the demand prices, what will be its corresponding effects on the quantity that the customer will demand it. Now we are discussing the disadvantage of law of demand. The disadvantage is like they do not hold in every situation, such as war, depressions, demonstrations, demonstrations effect, given paradox, speculations, ignorance effect, and many more. So, for example, we are taking example is taking in the in case numerical. First question is, if the demand and supply curve for the computer is D is equal to 100 minus 6p and S is equal to 28 plus 3p, where P is the price of computer and what is the quantity of computers brought or the sold at the equilibrium. Answer is we know the equilibrium quantity. So we are discussing 100 minus 6p is equal to 28 plus 3p. We know that the p is the price of computer. So 72 is equal to 9p. We are solving the 100 minus 28, and 3p plus 6p is equal to 9p. So we are solving this. We know the value of p is equal to 8. So we are the value of p we are uploading in the value of in the statement of s. So s is equal to 28 plus 3 into 8. So 28 plus 24 is the 52. Thus the equilibrium price is 8 and the equilibrium quantity is 52. Thank you.